I have a neighbor who never mows his yard, and his rattlesnake weeds have come over into my yard, and they're impossible to get rid of. Do you have any suggestions for getting rid of rattlesnake weed? Thank you, and this is Phyllis. So they're rattlesnake weed or Florida Betony.
Florida Betony.
Florida Betony is native to
So broadleaf.
Florida.
It's a broadleaf, I
It's a
guess.
broadleaf. It's a
yeah.
broadleaf. It's actually a winter perennial.
Is it? Okay.
Right, it grows by tubers. The tubers look like rattles of a rattlesnake.
That's where it gets its name.
So where it gets its name, right? It's very difficult to control. I always like to start with cultural practices first. You need a thick, dense lawn to crowd it out, number one. Number two, you have to mow at the correct height.
Right.
Okay, and then of course fertilize according to your soil test.
Yeah.
You know, do those things culturally. That should help. If we're
What
talking
about a broadleaf herbicide?
so we're talking about chemicals, then you can use a broadleaf weed herbicide.
And that'll take care of it?
That'll take up. It's going to be multiple applications though.
Is that like 2,4-D or something?
2,4-D, MCPP, and dicamba.
Okay.
That's what you're going to be looking for. Those are your three-way herbicides. But
Okay.
read and follow the label on that though.
Okay.
Read and follow the label. But I always like to start with those cultural practices first.
Right.
Then if you need chemicals, we can give you that too.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, the old rattlesnake weed can be a problem. It's in the mint family. Did you know that? It has a square stem.
Yeah.
Has a square stem in the mint family. So there you go, Miss Phyllis. Yeah, have fun with that. That's going to be difficult. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.